Hi people, welcome to the third part of the statistics series. Please watch my previous videos to understand this video better. My previous video links are provided in the description. Now we will discuss about the types of data. So there are two types of data. One is quantitative data and other one is qualitative data. As the name itself suggests, quantitative data deals with quantities, qualitative data deals with qualities. So there are two types of quantitative data. One is discrete and other one is continuous. The discrete data has values that cannot be broken down into fractions such as numbers on the dice, number of students in a class, etc. While continuous data can be available in fractional values such as height of a person, distance, etc. And there are two types of qualitative data. One is nominal data, which is categorical data such as gender, religion, etc. And there is an ordinal data, which is a measure of rank or order such as exam grades, position in the company, etc. When working with large data set, it can be useful to represent the entire data set with a single value that describes the middle or average value in the entire set. In statistics, that single value is called central tendency. And mean, median, and mode are the ways to describe it. The mean is the simple mathematical average of a set of two or more numbers. The mean is the most common measure of the location of a set of points. However, the mean is very sensitive to outliers. Mean can be used with numerical data. Median, the middle number found by ordering all the data points and picking out one of the middle, or if there are two middle numbers, taking the mean of those two numbers. It may be thought of as middle value of dataset, where M is total number of dataset, R is the position of the middle value. Mode is the most frequent number, that is, the number that occurs the highest number of times. The notions of frequency and mode are typically used with categorical data, but it can be used on any data type. Example, dataset 19, 4, 33, 2, 51, 32, 2, 41, 18, 2, 4, 1. Mode is 2. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment for more.